We're going to start off today with our rice, so we're going to make our vegetable stock. We're going to take our rear burner and we're going to heat that up to about 8. And we're going to come and measure out 2 cups of water. We're going to bring this back over here. And then we're going to take a tablespoon of our vegetable stock. This is very sticky, so we're going to swirl it and also knock it against the sides until it pours out of our spoon. And then once it does, we're going to go ahead and smash it, and that'll help it break up. After we bring this to a boil, we're going to take it off the heat, and then we're going to stir and smash again because not all of these little chunks will break all the way down. And now we're going to take our front burner, and we're also going to turn that up to about 8. We're going to take our large pot, and we're going to take a tablespoon of butter, and we're going to add that in and let that melt.